How's it going, everyone? Loading up, we're in the back of the trailer, the boys. Bloody circus! Going to be doing our first show tomorrow over at VIP Motocross.
Which side? This side?
Right, let's get this lifted. Oh, Pabby's coming over now. Yep, good mate. Boys are ready to do their first show. One more day, you're gonna get your head taken off. Spot him, yeah? Oh, sugar. Just trod in the bloody puddle. Golden Bennett. Touchdown. UK's first square airbag. We're going to be training some flips in this in the next couple of weeks. So yeah, big things happening.
Tem 2 metros de largura aqui em cima.
The boys are at, ready to go do our first little event. On the way, where are we on the way to? Oh, rugby. Boys are out. Oh, Pabby. Geordie's in there with him. We've got old Lee in the van, the boy. He's having it up. Circus, we're gone. See you later, everybody. Finally catched up with the boys. We broke down, we had to change our battery, and yeah, we catch back up on the motorway with the boys finally. We haven't got no radio. Nothing. We've got no power. Blown some fuses. Lee accidentally put the old positive on the negative, didn't you, mate? So we ain't got no radio. Well, it's been a nice quiet journey. But the boys are in front. Well, bags off. We've made it. Let's go. Look at this beast. Getting the first of the run-ins down. Oh, sorry, bro. Yeah, beautiful. He's made it here, the boy. Oh, Coomsy. Let's get it. We got it. This is the area we've been given then. Getting the old ramp up here now. But these are the things that you don't see. Look, it's almost 10 o'clock at night and they're out watering the track, getting it primed for the people tomorrow. What's everyone saying? Matt's saying 58, you're saying 65, what are you saying, George?
I'll say 65.
I'm saying 70. Lee, what are you saying? I'm saying 70.
You got a torch on it?
You got a torch. 23 metres. That's 23 metres, 75 foot. Go on, Matt. Yeah, Matty. Matty busting the hill clickers. Whoa. Come on, Matt.
Where's that man like Coon?
He's got whips.
Yes, man!
Yes, Matty, mate! Nice. Oi! Look, this one. No.
Yeah.
See what Matt does. He's woo.
Yeah.
Here she is. Looks. Yes, Matt. Here's the main man, Mr. Cumes, coming back from them Nax hill clickers, Cads, representing for the freestyle boys.
For the boys.
For the boys, mate. Smashed it. Yeah. This one. Yeah.
You want the pros?
Coombs is that? Yes, Cubes! Woo! Yes, Cubes, the boy. Sent it.
Fucking wrecked my
I
boat.
bet, boy, you were deep, bro.
Going with the wind.
Mate, that's what I just thought, bro. These whips are clean. Oh. Yeah! Woo! Oh, that's cool. Geordie, Liam, Matt are over there. Alex has turned up with the system and the speakers. Put on the show for the people. This is showbiz, people. Our first show. So exciting. Jump in the motor dove. Let's have it. How are you feeling about your first show?
I'm in. Let's get it.
Geordie, how do
Yeah,
you feel
bro,
about your
fast.
first show?
Jesus!
Alex, what are you saying to the camera for the first show?
What's up, people? OMG FMX Grizzle Squad collab here to do my little bit with the commentary. See what we can do off the cuff. It's going to be good. Boys are riding in the wind. Fair play. Great to be here. Yeah.
You. How do you feel to do your first event, boys? Yeah, it's the first one with the squad. First one with the squad, the new team, boys. Let's have it. Oh, what happened, mate?
Oh, I didn't do my bolt trick right, did I?
Or did you come off? You come off?
Oh, I went for a sweet grab, my foot hit that.
Oh no.
Game over.
Davo!
other members here, the boy. Let's get it, Dame. Say something for the camera. It's the squad's first show.
Yeah, man.
Turning up. Yeah, boy. We're gonna be tricking today. We got to turn up. Are you ready for the show, though? Now it's the show, boys. Come on, Alex. Get with it. Turn it. Come on, ready to drop. Ready to drop. Ah!